We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve's free version to kickstart your video editing journey. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Give your project a name and hit Create. Once inside the project, you'll see the main interface divided into different pages at the bottom: Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. These are your main workspaces. Start by going to the Media page where you can import your video clips. Use the Import Media option to bring files into your project. Drag and drop your clips into the media pool. Next, switch over to the Edit page. This is where most of your editing will happen. You'll find your media clips in the media pool on the top left. Drag your clips onto the timeline to start arranging your video. You can trim clips by clicking and dragging the ends to the desired length. For more precise cutting, use the blade tool available in the toolbar. If you want to add transitions between clips, go to the Effects library on the top left. Find the Video Transitions section, and drag a transition effect between two clips on the timeline. To adjust the color of your video, switch to the Color page. Here you can tweak exposure, contrast, and color balance using the color wheels and other tools. If you want to add music or sound effects, go back to the Edit page and import your audio files into the media pool. Drag them onto the audio tracks of your timeline. Finally, when you're ready to export your project, click on the Deliver page. Here, you can choose your export format, resolution, and file location. Once you've set your preferences, click on Add to Render Queue, and then Start Render to export your video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.